So in today's video, we're going to address how long does it actually take for the implanted hair follicles in your scalp to become stable after your surgery? Well, the answer is around 2 weeks. It takes about 2 weeks, give or take, for the hair grafts to become progressively more stable within the implanted area of your scalp. And after this point is usually the time when you can go back to your regular duties, exercise, wearing a loose cap or a hat, or even performing activities such as sexual intercourse or strenuous activities such as lifting, etc. So prior to the first 7 days post-surgery, we advise you to never touch your scalp directly, to refrain from using a power shower or wearing a hat or anything that's going to brush your scalp. For those of you who want a bit more scientific background, the reason that we like to give you 7 to 14 days for the grafts to properly become embedded is we need the body to almost glue these grafts into your scalp. What the body actually produces is a substance called fibrin, and this actually glues and holds the grafts in place in your scalp until they become permanently embedded in your scalp. And at this point, this will provide you with a permanent follicle in the reciprocal area for the rest of your life.